as with any other Office applications, on the top, you access out the options in Microsoft Access through ribbons right here. So what you can also do is you can customize out the ribbons according to how you like. So let's say, for example, if you want more option right here, you can right click on the ribbon, and over here you can see customize the ribbon is an option. Once you go around into customize the ribbon, you get to the access options on the customize ribbon section right here. So here you can see that these are the main tabs right here. So if you want to disable, let's say, for example, source control and press OK, then you don't have that tab anymore. So let's go around into customize ribbon, turn this on again, press OK, and then you have that on again. So let me just go around, disable the home tab. So the home tab is not there anymore. Right click, click on the customize the ribbon section right here, enable out the home tab and press OK, and this is what you have. You have the home tab again. If you want to go around and add in a custom tab right here, you can do that as well. So let's say, for example, you want a new tab right here. You can go around and then rename this according to how you like. So you can go around over here, rename this to something like TutorTube right here, press OK. And now what happens is that you have a new group, as you can see. So let's say I want the find over here onto the new tab. Let's say, for example, I also want around paste over here. You can go around and select out commands from over here. So there are tool tab commands right here, which you can see, and you can go around, add that out right here. And there you go. You got the design, as you can see right here. You can go around and drag these out onto the tab according to how you like it, as you can see. You can also go around and then just disable out the tabs that you don't like, press OK. And now you can see that you got a new tab called TutorTube right here with the selected options, as you can see right here. Another thing that you can do with ribbon is you can minimize out the ribbon right here so that it does not take up much space right here. So you can see that this is the tab right here. As you click outside, it just goes out, minimizes it out itself right here. If you want it back to the same position where it always is visible, you can go around and click on the pin the ribbon option right here, and then you get back the ribbon, as you can see right here. And that is how you can organize the ribbon and modify the ribbon inside of Microsoft Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.